Did you know summer is the absolute worst time to have your shingle roof replaced? Sounds strange, but it's true. You lose 1 to 2 years of life off of your shingle roof when you have it replaced during the summer months. Why? Because it's hot up there, and those guys are walking around with their boots and they're scuffing your brand new shingles as they were baking at 110 degrees as they're walking across them. But I have good news. Fall is here. The kids are back in school. The fall is a great time to get your roof replaced by our meticulous team at Cope Construction and Renovation. We've got our roof buggies, we've got our proprietary netting system that goes over your gardens, your landscaping, all of that to keep the nails and debris out of your garden beds. It also does not burn your plants like those traditional blue tarps will. I personally come around and do the final magnetic nail sweep after my guys have cleaned up after the job is done, so that you don't have any risk of nails and staples being left in your yard for your kids and your pets to get injured on. So if you hear someone complaining about trying to find a contractor for work on their forever home, who is tired of the miserable experiences with the unreliable, unscrupulous, disinterested, cavalier, sloppy, unskilled, dishonest con artists who call themselves contractors, tell them to call Cope Construction, and their only complaint will be, how come no one told us to call him sooner? When we're finished, we'll be proud to say it's not just done. It was Cope built. Drew with Cope Construction Renovation.